How to fix Verity Mod not working 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Verity Mod not working in Minecraft. If you've installed the mod but it isn't responding or you're getting an error whenever you try to chat with it, don't worry. I'll walk you through the most common causes and the best solutions to get everything working again. The first thing you should check is whether you've connected a valid API key to the Verity mod. The API key is what allows Verity to connect to its AI service and respond to your messages. To check this, press Escape, open Mods, select Verity, and click Config. At the top, open AI Settings. Here you'll see the option to enter your API key. If you don't already have one, it's easy to create. Make sure the AI provider is set to Grok. Then open your web browser and visit console.grok.com. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click Create API Key. After the verification process is complete, Grok will generate your API key. Copy it immediately and save it somewhere safe because it won't be shown again after you leave or refresh the page. Now return to Minecraft, paste the API key into the Verity settings, and choose your preferred AI model. You can select a faster model for better performance or a more intelligent model for higher quality responses. Click Done to save your settings. Then, try talking to Verity again. If everything is configured correctly, the mod should now respond normally. If you're using your microphone instead of typing, press Escape, go to Options, then Controls, and open Keybinds. Scroll down until you find the Verity mod controls. By default, press M to switch between available microphone devices. Press V to activate voice chat with Verity. For example, press V and say, "Good morning, Verity. I hope you're doing well." If your microphone is set up correctly, Verity should hear you and respond. Another common issue is reaching your API usage limit. If you receive an error 429, it usually means you've sent too many requests in a short period or your API plan has reached its usage limit. In that case, wait a few minutes before trying again. If the problem continues, you may need to upgrade your API plan, depending on your usage. You can also reduce API usage by enabling native TDS. To do this, open Verity Config, go to AI Settings, and make sure Use Native TDS is turned on. This can help reduce API usage and improve overall performance. That's all for this guide. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.